Hello, welcome back to Retro Phone Show. Today guys, I'm going a bit off track. I'm talking about something a bit different, and it is the Vodafone Zap pager, released, what it says on the back, 1996. So I'm presuming it was released in 96. Retail price £79.95. Now these, they're so old that the telephone numbers that they come with at the time didn't start with the 07 number. So I've had to go online and change the code, only the beginning part. It wasn't very easy, I can assure you, but I done it. So it will actually work now as a pager. But when I had it, it actually wouldn't have worked unless I changed the telephone number, 2 digits. Right, let's get him out then. I'll show the telephone number now in a minute. But obviously I've had to cover up the last 2 digits. Here's the pager. Voda Zap. Let's get the battery out of here a minute. Right. Vodafone Zap. Let's get him out. Right, here are. As you can see, when it focuses. Come on. There. 036. See, 0336 was the old code number. So I've had to change that to an 07 and 1 and 2 other numbers. They've been changed. And obviously I've had to cover up the last couple of digits there for obviously reasons. And now it will actually work. Right, let's pop the battery in. Pop the battery in, let's turn him on. Ready to zap. As you can see, he's all up and running. Now let's write a message. Won't be able to see there, I don't think. Hang on. Let's put down boo. Right, now I'm going to send. I should have a delivery report in a minute. A delivery report. Now this should receive the message in a couple of ticks. Remember I wrote on there, boo. Let's see. There we are. Boo. It will start to get louder now in a minute. There you are. All up and running. And there we have the old Vodafone Zap pager from 1996. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, I've got 3 Vodafone bricks. They're not the old ones, they just made to look old. I got the full set. I got the house one, which is here. I got the Power Edition mobile one, which is here. And the normal mobile, which is there. And I also have a different remake of an old phone, which is just a remake. It's a new one, it is. But if you want me to make any videos of them in the future, please let me know, and I'd be glad to make some videos of them for you. And thanks for watching, and I hope you join me again soon. Bye.